Hello everyone! Start off by combing the hair into place and then take a section of the hair from the front of the scalp. Now begin to braid this section of the hair, and as you progress with the braid, include sections of the hair from the right side of the scalp. That is, the right side of the scalp before the central parting. Make sure that this braid is kept to the far edge. That is, the side towards the ear, and then when you reach the bottom, you may normally braid the hair. For our next hairdo, start off by combing the hair into place, take a section of the hair from the front, tie a rubber band to it. Repeat the same process until you reach the bottom, and then tie a rubber band or ponytail at the back. Take a section of the hair, roll it in on itself, and then put the ponytail through. Lift the portion upwards to make a bow-like shape. Take a portion of this ponytail and put it through the bow in order to form the center. For our next hairdo, take a section of the hair from the front and then begin to braid it. Tie a rubber band once you are done, and to the bottom portion of the hair, tie a rubber band around the braid. Roll this portion in on itself and then make it tight. Tie a decorative rubber band. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a decorative ribbon to the top of the head and then tie a rubber band around it, make your ponytail. Roll this ponytail in on itself and then tie a braid using this ribbon. Once again using this ribbon, make another braid at the bottom. Roll the ribbon up to make a bow. For our next hairdo, comb the hair into place and then take a small section of the hair from the front of the scalp. Then begin to braid this portion of the hair. As you progress with the braid, include sections of the hair from the rest of the scalp into this braid. We will be making a French braid. Make sure that these sections are really small sections that are being included into the braid. Also make sure that this braid is really firm and neatly and tightly put. About halfway through, normally braid the hair without including sections and then roll it upwards. Braid the bottom of the hair. For our next hairdo, tie a section of the hair from the front up and then roll it in on itself in order to form two twists. Use some hair gel and then tie a braid out of it. Tie a rubber band at the bottom to make a ponytail and make a braid at the bottom. Roll this braid upwards and use rubber bands to tie it in place. For our next hairdo, start off by braiding the front of the hair. Then take a section right underneath it and tie a rubber band to it. Braid the bottom and roll this braid upwards and tie a rubber band to it. Braid the bottom again. For our next hairdo, section off the front of the scalp. Then taking a small portion of this section from the back, begin to braid the hair. As you progress with the braid, include sections from the portion of the hair that is closer to the face. Add really small sections as you progress with the braid. Once you are done adding sections, tie the braid up normally and then tie a rubber band to it at the bottom. Do the same on the other side and join it at the center at the back. Thank you for watching.